Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves, today's video I'll be showing you guys what I cook in a day and what I feed my family of 3 in a day. So I hope you enjoy this cooking series with me. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comments. So first off, we are starting up with making breakfast, which is pancakes. Okay, we're having pancakes for today, and I'm going to be using 1 egg. Instead of using vanilla extract, I'm using butterscotch. Okay, so 1 egg, I used a cup, half cup of milk. Okay, but I'm still going to add more milk. I don't like adding water when my pancake is thick. Instead of me adding water, I add more milk. So I'm using now butterscotch instead of vanilla extract. So just a little bit of twist, and I'll add my sugar and the rest of the ingredients on how I make my pancake. This is how I make my pancake. It comes out really fluffy and nice. Okay.
I know that I'll be fine.
So I've mixed everything and I'm going to be using butter to fry it. It gives it a different taste entirely. Okay, so I just take a little bit of butter, I'll rub it on my pan, and I will start to fry it. So my butter has melted, and I'm going to be using this measuring cup so that all the whole pancake can be the same sizes and all. So when I pour it, I make sure that I spray the pancake mixture all around the pan so that
I can't help but think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. Now do I go from here? Oh, it's not.
So far for lunch, I am making moi moi. Okay, so I washed these beans last night and I allow it to soak for easy blending. Okay, so I'm adding my beans, crayfish, and I added small pepper because madam is going to eat it, so I didn't want to add much pepper. So I'm just going to blend everything. I blended it twice so that it will be soft and done. Okay, because when you press the beans, you know when your beans is ready. So the beans is ready, and I'm going to be adding my spices, which is paprika, black pepper, and curry. I added curry, I added thyme, every other spices I know that you use to cook your food. That's what I add in this beans. Okay, beans that will turn to moi moi. And it's been a while I made this for me and my daughter, so I was like, okay, let me just make something different than cooking normal beans porridge, and she really enjoyed the food. So I added a little bit of twist, which you guys will see it later. I don't know if you have tried this kind of combo before, but just watch to the end so you see what I'm trying to say. So here I'm going to be using Titus tuna, Titus fish, sardine fish, and I did not have this fresh fish or smoked fish, so I'm just going to use the oil. I added the oil first before I add normal oil inside. This is also amazing, gives it a different taste. Okay, so I'll match the fish so that it can reach all my beans. Then we're going to be using boiled egg, and the twist was adding sausage, so I added sausage inside these beans. This was the first time using sausage, but I was like, since there was no much ingredient, let me just use sausage as a different thing so that she will see different things to pick when she's eating the beans so it will not be boring for her. Yeah, so if you've watched this extent, you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful and awesome comment.
In any sense at all, 'cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? Oh, without you in my life. And I thought that I was fine, but I can't help. Wonder what it's like to be the one who gets to share it.
Everything is ready, so I'm going to start to put it in the nylon. If you have this beans in container, you can use that, but I'm using nylon or beans. There's a leaf. I don't know how to use that leaf, sure. This one I know how to use it. Nylon. I put the amount of beans I want to use, then I add my fish, then I add the egg and the sausage. So I did this process like this till I was done tying the beans. Okay, this was not easy because sometimes when you use a smaller nylon to cook beans, sometimes it gets opened, so you have to like double secure your nylon by an extra nylon for it, just in case it breaks. And sometimes this nylon breaks and you have to be careful, you'll be checking it in case the nylon breaks. You get another nylon and put your beans inside. All these nylon sometimes they structure, but we move. So I'm going to put this in the pot and I'll continue doing the same thing till I am done.
Still it's not like I even really care, but I do. And what am I supposed to say? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? I thought I had it all, but boy, how could I ever be more wrong? Hey, so go ahead and leave it all. Oh, I just don't wanna still be holding on. 'Cause all it took was just one moment to cut it off and leave me broken. Still I miss you next October. How will I know if
I'm done tying it, and this is what we have. We had like 6 bags of this. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the fire for it to boil, and you can have the gari like drinking gari, or you can have this with akamo or custard or oatmeal, or you can eat this with rice. Let me know in the comment section in your moi with. Okay, so I'm just going to allow this to
fun feels like without you in my life. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my.
For dinner, I'll be making shrimps and spaghetti. So this shrimps is already a cooked shrimps. Okay, this is a cooked shrimps peeled, and the rest this is large one. Okay, and I have my tomato already been chopped. I have my onions, I have my garlic, and here I'm going to be using paprika, black pepper, my seasoning like Benny and my Maggi and salt. So I'm already boiling hot water for the spaghetti. So we'll move to making the shrimp sauce. Okay, so this is my pan. I'm going to light the stove and we'll start cooking the food. If you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comment, and yeah. So I'm going to be using butter to make this shrimp sauce. Okay, so I added my butter, like I sliced a chunk of butter and I added it. Then the next I'll add is the ingredient. So I'm on my light so that I can see road very well, and also for the smoke to go out. Okay,
I see love.
so I'm going to add my onions. The butter is melted. I'm adding my onions. Now I allow this to cook for a while. As I added the onions, I added the garlic inside as well, so that everything will infuse inside the butter. Okay, so after this has cooked for few seconds, I will add my tomato and allow that to stir fry.
I see smiles and laughter and cheer. I see hearts that'll trust in each other for the rest of their years. I see family you'll help grow up strong, knowing nothing comes close to the life that you hold in your arms. Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You'll face it together, share more than a name. Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out.
Right now, I want to wash the shrimps. Okay, I want to remove the ice block or anything that is in the shrimps. So remove the tails from the shrimps. So when you get this kind of shrimps, even if it's cooked, still wash it to remove the ice. Anything they use to preserve the shrimps, is from a company product, so it's not fresh. So you just need to wash it. Yeah, wash your shrimps. Okay. Then I'm also going to remove the tail part. Okay, so that it's more easier when you're eating your spag. You just grab a shrimps and your spag at once. Then when you eat the spag, you also remove the tail before you now eat the shrimps. I don't know if you understand where I'm driving at. So I will finish washing it. I want to check on the sauce. The hair is only tomato, onions, garlic. I have not added any seasoning inside yet, so it's still boiling. I want the tomato water to dry. Now I want my spices, which is black pepper, paprika, my seasoning and salt. So now add water. Okay, the amount of water should be enough for your sauce. Okay, so I make my shrimp sauce for my spaghetti. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments.
Okay, you're never alone on the path that you take. I see love here. I see moments so tender and sweet. I see half of yourself in the other, together complete. Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You'll face it together, share more than a name. Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out okay. You're never alone on the path that you take. I see marriage with your very best friend. I see love that you'll hold in each other from now till the end.
done preparing the sauce. Okay, it's boiling. As it's boiling, I'm removing the shrimp tail. Okay, so this is what I am doing right now. Your thought in the comment section. Do you remove the shrimp tail before you cook it in your sauce, or you just cook it straight? This is what the sauce looks like for now, and it's still going to boil. I'm still going to allow it to boil for another while. And our water for the pasta is ready. I'm going to cook the pasta off camera. This is what the food looks like. This tasted so amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next.